Hello everyone, today I will show you how to like all songs in a Spotify. And here's how it's done. Launch the Spotify app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to the library and select the playlist you want to interact with. Unfortunately, Spotify does not offer a feature to like all songs in a playlist simultaneously. You'll need to like each song individually by tapping the heart icon next to each track. Alternative. Create a new playlist with like songs. Navigate to your library in the Spotify app. Select like songs to view all the songs you have liked. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Create Playlist. Go back to your like songs, tap Select All, and then add them to the new playlist. And that is everything you need to know about how to like all songs in a Spotify playlist. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.